Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create product packaging using Adobe Illustrator. If you're planning to design your own packaging for business, school project, or personal use, this tutorial is perfect for beginners. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new project. For this tutorial, I'm using an A4 size document. Make sure to set the unit of measurement to centimeters and set the resolution to 300 dpi to ensure a high-quality design for printing. And now click the rectangle tool to artboard and then set the size. I will set the width to 7.5 centimeters and height for 11.7 centimeters. Copy the first shape, click Edit, and copy, then click Paste in place. Then drag the copy shape to the right. Then set the reference point and resize the shape you duplicate. Then go to Selection tool and copy the shapes. Then drag and move the duplicate shapes to the right. Now I copy the shape I selected and drag it to the left. Same procedure, I will set the reference point and resize the shape. Now, I will select the shape and click Direct Selection tool. Double-click the anchor point. Then select the second option in Curve. Then select again the shape. Hold the Shift and click 2 times the down arrow key. Then, for the second one, hold Shift and press 2 times the arrow up key. Then click Selection tool. Click Rectangle tool and set again the size. Duplicate again the shape and set the reference point and resize it. Now select the shape and click the Direction Selection tool. Click and drag down the ACAW point to curve the right part of the shape. Same procedure to the left side. Now click again the rectangle tool and make another set. Then, inside the shape, create another rectangle tool, set the size for width 0.5 centimeters and height 0.5 centimeters. Add another width is 0.5 centimeters and 0.5 for the height. Duplicate the shape. Now click and drag down the ruler to make a guidelines. After making a guidelines, delete the 3 shapes inside and select all the guidelines and lock it. And now select Add Anchor Point tool. And I set point it to the guidelines I made. And after that, go to Direct Selection tool and click then I anchor point I add. Press and hold Shift key and press 1 time the right arrow key. For the upper part, press hold Shift key and 2 times press right arrow key. Same procedure for the lower part, click the anchor point and press hold Shift key and click 1 time the left arrow key. For the upper part, press and hold Shift key and press 2 times left arrow key. Go to Selection tool and select all the guidelines and unlock and delete. Now I will duplicate the shape by pressing and hold Alt key and dragging the shape to duplicate. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed creating product packaging in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next design tutorial.